Hi, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default subtitle and audio tracks in MKV video files. Let's get started. When you play back a movie on your video player software or on your TV, the default audio language and subtitle track are automatically used. To check the available audio tracks and subtitles, simply drag the video file into your player. This will allow you to see the options available for your MKV file. Let me first close the video file before proceeding. It's important to ensure that the file is not open in any player when making changes to its audio and subtitle tracks, as this will avoid any conflicts during the editing process. Changing the standard audio track and subtitle is simple and fast. In this tutorial, I'm going to use a free and open source software called MkvDefaultTrackChanger. Head over to GitHub and download the software from the official repository. Unzip the downloaded file and then run the executable. This will launch the application, which will allow you to easily manage the audio and subtitle tracks in your MKV video files. The user interface is simple and easy to use. Press the Browse button to select your movie file, and then click Open in the File Picker dialog. The video file will be instantly loaded, showing the standard audio track and subtitle options. In this example, I'm going to change the audio and subtitle to German. Once you've made your selections, simply press Apply to save the changes. You can also disable the subtitle entirely if you prefer. Note that multiple video files can be processed simultaneously, allowing you to make bulk changes effortlessly. Close the application and drag the video file back into your video player. Check the audio and subtitle settings to confirm that everything worked as planned. It's important to note that only minor changes have been made by the software. The video was not re-encoded, so you don't have to worry about any quality degradation. The original quality of your video file remains intact. I actually did a binary comparison and noticed that only 3 bytes have been changed. That's it for today. You should now be able to change the default audio and subtitle settings in your MKV files. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you next time.